Hello, in this video I will show you this tool that allows you to remove grass weeds with minimal damage to your lawn. This tool, I bought it at a hardware store. It's a Yardworks tool. It works great because there's some other tools to remove weeds that create big holes into your grass and just make damage. There it is, a Yardworks. It has a 19-inch handle, has a nice tip that goes easy into the soil, and it has that nice little curve which allows you to pull the weed up with ease. So here I'll show you how to insert the tool. You find the weed in your grass and just insert the tool at the center of the weed. Make sure you don't touch the weed, just on the side, and you just pull up slowly, and as you can see, the weed comes out easy and minimal damage to your lawn. The damage there is just because the weed creates a shade and the grass cannot grow. Here's a bigger weed. You can see easy, and I think that was a crabgrass weed. Uh, I think that was the name. Here is the next weed, and I'm just going in, simply removing it. And again, that damage is there because the weed was so big that it creates a hole for the grass. And as you can see, it's a simple process. If you continue this process throughout the year, your grass will grow very green. It will look like a turf grass. It'll look very nice. And there you go, as a close-up. Just pull it up slowly and gently, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.